Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to get started with Leia Pix an AI that converts images to videos. With Leia Pix, let's turn our favorite images into stunning depth animations. But before we start, if you want to keep up with the newest AI tools and learn how to use them well, this channel is perfect for you. We share updates and easy to follow videos on making the most of AI tools today. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Your support helps us in keeping or making videos like this. Now, let us get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the website convert.leiapix.com. Once you are there, locate and click on the prominent Get Started button. Since we are starting fresh and don't have an existing account, the next step is to select the option to create an account. Here, you will find two choices. You can either manually input the required information or opt for the convenient option of continuing with your Google account, which is the route I will be taking for this walkthrough. Next, it is crucial to always bear in mind the importance of thoroughly reviewing and accepting the platform's privacy policy and terms of use. While I won't be delving into the specifics right now, I highly recommend that you take a moment to peruse these documents before proceeding. After you have ensured that you are comfortable with the terms, go ahead and click on the confirm button to move forward. And just like that, we have successfully established an account, granting us access to the powerful capability of transforming images into videos. It is worth noting that, like many other free platforms, this one operates on a credit-based system. As a new user, we are generously provided with a starting balance of 500 credits. This allocation is quite substantial for a free tier user, wouldn't you agree? With this, you are now poised to embark on your journey of transforming static visuals into dynamic video content. Now, let us keep going. First, pick a photo you want to convert the image to videos. Just remember, it has to be in a certain format like JPEG, PNG, HEIC, or HEIF, or else it won't work. Once you have picked your photo and put it onto a website, you will wait a bit, and then your picture will start moving. But what sets this platform apart is its intuitive customization options, conveniently located on the right-hand side of the screen. Here, you have the power to fine-tune how your photo animates. You can switch up the animation style, selecting from options like circle, wide circle, and more. Additionally, you can adjust the animation's duration and even control the degree of motion. It is as simple as quick drag to the left or right to achieve your desired effect. And finally, there is an advanced editor where you can really get creative. You can control how much your picture zooms in using some special features. Just adjust them until your picture looks just right, the way you like it. If you are happy with how your image looks after the transformation, you can proceed to save it. Simply click on the export button. It is important to note that every video you export will deduct 20 credits from your balance. However, what sets this platform apart is its generosity in offering free options. You can opt for the no-cost choices like MP4 720 pixel, which is quite sufficient for most needs along with other available options. But if you absolutely require the original size MP4, that option is also available. For me, I will choose the MP4 720p to conserve my credits. Then click on Save. It is as simple as that, and your images have now transformed into videos. By the way, I am really looking forward to hearing your thoughts. Are you as impressed as I am with how the images change into videos? Will you give this platform a try for yourself? I'd love for you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. I am genuinely excited to read your insights and learn from your creative experiments. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.